How to remove song from Instagram post. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove song from Instagram post after posting. Well, if you open up Instagram, now I'll just open up Instagram and head over to my post here. I just uploaded a picture here with a song. Now if you want to remove the music, if you tap on the music, you'll see that there is no any option to remove it. If you tap on the three dots above the post, you'll see there is no option relating to the song, or if you tap on edit, then you can see there is no option regarding the song as well. So basically what this means, or what I want to tell you, is that there is no any option to remove the song from Instagram post once you have added the song and posted it. Now the only option is what you can do is you can save this particular post, or if you already have the post saved on your phone, you can tap on three dots. You can simply go ahead and delete this particular post and then upload it back again without music this time. So this way you can remove song from Instagram post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.